Today's star of the shave is MacDuff's the Juke Box. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is MacDuff's the Juke Box. I'm also using a Design 94 AL red and a Vapora Platinum blade. No, Ladas blade. I apologize. I keep having a Vapora on my mind for some reason, but it's a Ladas blade. I'm using a Yaqi synthetic brush, and of course my trusty TRC lather ball. And thank you, wet shaving community, for getting me hooked on these bougie sprayers. Wow, this is my first MacDuff soap. I am so excited. Oh man, I'm slowly branching out in the types of the artisans I'm using. I'm like, yes, you can use. I'm like usually like regimental, and I use like X brand, Y brand, all that, but I'm an explorer. I'm a wet shaver. I gotta be more adventurous. Of Bones from Star Trek, Dr. McCoy. If people ask him, what soap should I get away with? I'm a wet shaver, not a doctor. Like, I'm rambling it up. Oh man, the jukebox. I'm getting vibes of fruit. Like a fruit soda, but also I'm getting the herbs, and I'm getting like a woodsy scent. It's like a overall scent smorgasbord. Yeah, that's the words. I can speak. I know how to speak. Yeah, going with my first palette. 2 days growth. Oh man, I really like it. Wow, so many great artisans. Almost broke my rule. Almost talked when I was shaving under my neck. Almost did it. Almost. Oh, man. I gotta get me more MacDuffs. Oh, man. Great soap base. Going for my second pass, huh? Yeah. So, any of you are MacDuffs fans? Let me know in the comments which MacDuffs you have. I'm very eager. And if someone's into gourmands, what MacDuff soap would you recommend? If someone's a gourmand geek or a gourmand genius, I have to keep it positive. Geek is positive too, but yeah. Second pass. Oh man, please let me know. Well, if you gourmand, what's in your profile, in your scent profile wheel? Yeah, I said it right. Wheel. Please let me know. Oh. I forgot to do my little testy test. Look. It protects that little the thin line between the hair and the skin that the razor's gonna take off. Wow. I'm really liking this. Of course I like, let me ask, is it okay for me to like so many different types of soaps and soap bases because they're great? Again, please put that in the comments. Let me know what you think. I mean, the standards are rising all the time with each soap base. I did taste it before, and it has a decent aftertaste, but I won't do it on camera. It's like tasting cologne or a perfume. But yeah, it does smell good. I did get lost in the smell. Oh man. This is so beautiful. Great soap base. Oh, let me go for my third pass. I always say this, but shaving is more therapeutic for me than looking good. And I am so blessed and fortunate to find this community that I call my family all the time. I'm consistently consistent on this. And the person you see today, So many seeds of faith and hope and positivity and love has been planted in because of the wet shaving community. I don't know where to say thank you and how to. I wanna be the person that also does the same thing what they did to me in a positive way. Oh man. Let me get for my third pass. Oh. I feel like a music DJ hearing that feedback. Ooh, 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 yeah. Oh man. That feedback is music to my ears. But this guy's a MacDuffs fan. Converted me. Ah. Waste not, want not. Wow, the residual. Bravo, MacDuffs. Let me wipe my face and then we can do a little more shaving chat. I'll be more focused, yeah. Oh. Ooh, I can't wait to try the splash. Oh, almost lost my earpiece. That's why I have two ears. Yeah. Oh man. I love doing these. I love talking and chatting and shaving, yeah. Ooh. Smooth, silky smooth. One more and then I'm gonna throw the splash. Ooh, can't wait to shake that up. Ooh, huh. Woo! Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna be generous with the splash. Oh, I smell more fruit in the splash so far. Yeah, it's more fruit and sweetness in the splash, and in the soap, it's like woodsy, herbsy. But you still smell the sweet. This smells more candy. Oh, man. Wow. Thank you for staying at the end. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna go over my lineup one more time. The razor I used was a Design AL94. See the red? A Yaqi synthetic brush. Of course, my trusty TRC lather bowl. I loved it. My bougie sprayer. Thank you, community/family, for enabling me to use this. And of course, the star of the shave is, I gotta hold it right, MacDuff's the Juke Box. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, calm down, boy. I gotta separate them. It's the same dog. It's just a picture. But yo, it's really good. Thank you for staying to the end. Hey, if you have any time on Saturdays, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, you're more than welcome to see four great people in a great community watching these four great people. Go to the Razor Company Live. That's their Instagram page for live shaves. Or you could go to just the Razor Company. And for your wet shaving needs and health, beauty health, not health, but for your wet shaving needs and your aesthetics, go to therazorcompany.com. Wow. Thank you so much for staying. Your comments, your likes, your views are a blessing. Please ask any questions. If I can't answer it, there's somebody in this beautiful community, wet shaving community that I call my family, is able to answer it. That's why I love it. Thank you so much and have a great time and day or night wherever you're watching it. Bye.